Good morning, welcome to your channel Inglés para tu vida. In the class of today, we are going to concentrate on the pronunciation, and as we saw in our last exercise, we saw the difference between the sound the when there is vibration of the vocal cords and the sound the when there isn't vibration of the vocal cords. And now I want you to repeat these sentences, right? Deseo que repitamos estas oraciones para poder practicar ambos sonidos, right? Let's repeat, please. That thing over there. Can you repeat? That thing over there. Number 2, those three things. Those three things. Number 3, thank you for those things. Thank you for those things. Number 4, it's this Thursday. It's this Thursday. Recuerden siempre de poner la lengua entre los dos dientes, entre la parte superior e inferior de nuestros dientes. Number 5, there are 13 of those things. Can you repeat? There are 13 of those things. Number 6, it's 3:33. It's 3:33. In this exercise, I have he combinado ambos sonidos, tanto el que tiene vibración como el que no la tiene, right? I have combined in this exercise both sounds, the vibration and the non-vibration one. Let's repeat again the sentences, right? That thing over there. Those three things. Thank you for those things. Thank you for those things. It's this Thursday. It's this Thursday. La lengua entre el diente superior e inferior. There are 13 of those things. There are 13 of those things. It's 3:33. It's 3:33. So, in these sentences, you can check that it's important the correct pronunciation of these sounds. Podemos ver en estas oraciones lo importante que es saber la correcta pronunciación de estos sonidos. Thank you very much for your attention. No olvide de suscribirse a este su canal Inglés para tu vida, darle clic al botón de me gusta y nos vemos en el siguiente video para continuar practicando este interesante tema. Bye.